Can I paint Zenitsu from Demon Slayer? Oh yeah, this one's going to be for the fans. Because heat the plates up first and we're going to start this painting with a dream. But why a dream, you ask? Well, this is the part where I say, if you know, you know. But it's not about the dream itself. It's what's in the dream that matters. Because in this dream stands Mount Fujikasane. If you know, you know. But if you don't know, Fujikasane is a really important mountain. Fujikasane is surrounded by fields upon fields of never-ending cherry blossom. But as this dream becomes more vivid and clear, here stands alone a different type of tree. Could well be a Japanese maple, but that was never actually confirmed. Now, if you know, you know, but this tree is not just going to stand here. Because this tree is being struck by lightning. But why is this tree being struck by lightning?